Sumo Kettlebell Deadlift. This is a hip dominant movement. That means the beginning and end of the movement start and end with the hinge at the hips rather than the bending at the knees. Now, first things first, we want to start with our feet wider than shoulder width in that sumo stance and our toes pointed out. We're driving up through the heels to properly engage that posterior chain. And before I forget, this is a lower body movement, but we're also engaging our core. So we want to especially squeeze our lower abdomen, and we're working our spinal erectors, which is the core at our back. And squeezing our lower abdomen also protects our lower back, so it protects our lower discs as well as it takes stress off the muscles at the lower back.